A complete guide to investing in the 10 fastest growing businesses in the world. In today's economy, it's more important than ever to make smart investments that will help you grow your wealth over the long term here. We'll take a look at 10 of the fastest growing businesses in the world and show you how you can invest in them after watching. You'll have a much better understanding of what makes these businesses successful and be in a better position to make smart choices. When it comes to investing in the top 10 fastest growing businesses in the world, it is difficult to determine the top 10 fastest growing businesses in the world, as there are many factors that contribute to a company's growth rate. Some industries that are experiencing rapid growth include technology, e-commerce, and healthcare. Here are a number of the top 10 fastest growing business names. Number 1, Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world, and it has experienced rapid growth in recent years. Number 2, Alibaba. Alibaba is a Chinese e-commerce company that has experienced rapid growth in recent years. Number 3, Tencent. Tencent is a Chinese technology company that has experienced rapid growth in recent years. Number 4, Apple. Apple is a technology company that has experienced significant growth in recent years. Number 5, Google. Google is a technology company that has experienced significant growth in recent years. Number 6, Facebook. Facebook is a social media company that has experienced significant growth in recent years. Number 7, Netflix. Netflix is a streaming service that has experienced significant growth in recent years. Number 8, Uber. Uber is a ride-hailing company that has experienced significant growth in recent years. Number 9, Airbnb. Airbnb is a home-sharing company that has experienced significant growth in recent years. Number 10, Tesla. Tesla is an electric vehicle company that has experienced significant growth in recent years. All startups have been on the rise for a few years now and continue to grow rapidly. Each of these companies has developed an innovative way to connect people and provide a new service or product that is changing the way we think about hospitality and travel. The company has experienced rapid growth due to its user-friendly interface, expansive content, library and strong marketing efforts. This success can be attributed to their continued focus on innovation and customer satisfaction as well as their aggressive marketing strategies. How to invest in the top 10 fastest growing businesses. There are several ways to invest in the top growing businesses in order to earn profits. One way is to buy stocks in these companies. This allows you to own a small portion of the company and participate in its growth and profitability. You can buy stocks through a brokerage account or through a mutual fund that focuses on investing in fast-growing companies. Another way to invest in growing businesses is to invest in an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that focuses on fast-growing companies. An ETF is a type of investment vehicle that holds a basket of stocks or other securities and can be bought and sold like a stock. It is important to do thorough research and due diligence before investing in any company. This includes evaluating the company's financial health, management team, and industry trends. It is also a good idea to diversify your investments in order to spread risk and potentially maximize returns. It is always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or professional before making any investment decisions. They can help you understand the risks and potential rewards of different investment options and develop a personalized investment plan that meets your financial goals and risk tolerance. Furthermore, we let you know about a few different categories of businesses you may consider for investing. A business can be small or large, public or private, traditional or new, and one person or many people can own it. There are many different types of businesses and each has its own benefits and risks. Some of the most common types of businesses include corporations, limited liability companies, LLC partnerships, sole proprietorships and S-corporations. All of these types of businesses have some important things in common. They need to make money to stay in operation. They need people to run them or invest in them, and they need to be registered with the government. Each type of investment has its own advantages and disadvantages. There are a number of ways to invest in a business. You can buy shares in the company itself, by debt or equity securities issued by the company, or leased property from the company. What is an LLC type of business? There are many different types of businesses in the world and each has its own unique set of benefits and drawbacks. Here are some of the most popular types of businesses. Number 1, startups. Startups are a very high-growth business type that is particularly popular in today's economy. They can be very exciting and rewarding, but they also have a lot of risks associated with them. Startups typically need a lot of capital to get off the ground, so investors typically require a higher return on investment ROI than other types of businesses. Number 2. Micro-businesses. Micro-businesses, a small business that what is a corporation, typically has fewer than 10 employees. They tend to be more nimble and responsive to changes in the marketplace, making them ideal for entrepreneurs who want to start their own businesses without a lot of upfront costs. However, micro-businesses don't typically generate as much revenue as larger businesses do, so they may not have as much room for growth in the long run. Number 3. Large corporations. Large corporations are usually more stable and profitable than smaller businesses, but they often don't offer as much opportunity for entrepreneurialism or innovation. They also tend to be more expensive to operate than smaller businesses, which can make them difficult for new entrepreneurs to take on board without some initial funding from investors or other sources. Number 4. Service businesses. Service businesses are one of the world's most common types of businesses. The different categories of businesses and startups. Startups are often considered to be the fastest growing businesses in the world as they have the opportunity to grow quickly and create new jobs. However, startups can be risky and there is a risk of not being able to achieve long-term success. There are a number of ways to invest in startups, including through venture capital or crowdfunding growing businesses. Growing businesses are those that are growing their revenue or market share over time. These businesses tend to be more stable than startups and offer more predictable returns. Investors may want to consider investing in growing businesses through venture capital or private equity. Mid-sized businesses. Mid-sized businesses are those that typically have revenues between $10 million and $500 million. These companies typically have a more established customer base and are easier for investors to understand than smaller companies. Mid-sized businesses may be better suited for private equity investment than other types of investments, as this type of investment offers a higher return on investment ROI. Conclusion. There is no doubt that investing in the 10 fastest growing businesses in the world can be a lucrative proposition in this guide. We have outlined everything you need to know about these businesses and how to invest in them. Whether you are an experienced investor or just starting out, our guide will help you find the right businesses and make smart decisions when investing your money. So what are you waiting for? Start investing today in some of the world's fastest growing companies. Thanks for watching.